How to connect a Canva website to an existing domain. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect your Canva website to an existing domain. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need two things. You're going to need a domain and you're going to need a Canva account. So make sure you have those two things and then we can move on with the video. So I have my domain right here, as you can see. So we can go ahead and use this and connect our website. So now all we need is to create our website. So let's go ahead and create a website. So we already have that option right here. So we're going to click on the website option. If you don't, you can even just simply search on the search bar. So now that we have some website, this is the Canva right here. We can go ahead and view some of these templates on the left hand side and use them. Now, you can even go ahead and click on layout to select the layout of your website, and you can go ahead and move on with that. Depends on what type of website you have. You even have different styles, different colors as well. So let's go ahead and click on templates and search for a template. So since my domain is called House of Burgers, so we're going to need something along the lines of burger. So let's go ahead and say burger. Let's go ahead and search for burger joint or burger. Go ahead and search for burgers. Now we have some different options. So we have green grillers, we've got the Sunday bite, we even have this option right here. So now we can go ahead and import this section right here. Or if we want, we can just go back to our home design, and here we can just simply go ahead and search for a template altogether. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and search for website over here. We got some templates right here. Let's go ahead and click on see all Canva templates. And here we're going to select or search for category, and underneath business, let's go ahead and search for our category. Okay, so I couldn't find the burger website that I wanted to. I don't think they have it. They do have some other restaurant type of websites. So we can go ahead and use those, right? This is just an example. Of course, you already have your website and everything. So let's go ahead and select this website right here, or maybe even this one. I really like this one as well. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. So let's go ahead and select this one. I think this one looks good. So now we have a pizza as well. All right, let's go with the pizza one. I think this one actually is pretty cool. Yeah, let's go with pizza one. And I actually did find a burger one. So, all right, so this one works perfectly. So now we can use this one. Let's go ahead and click on customize template. It's going to open up here, as you can see. So this is the website. So now all that we need to do is make a little bit of changes and we should be good to go. So everything looks good. Instead of the green grillers co over here, we can change the text to burger house or house of burgers. And down below, we can add our address. We'll leave that as it is. And then overall theme of the website, we can go ahead and click on the design section, and maybe we want to change the colors. And here we have the color template. We just simply click on the theme, and here we have the template style. So what we can do now is we click on it. We can maybe change up the palette. Maybe if we use these colors instead, this one also looks good. Click on this color. There we go. As you can see, the template has changed. Let's go ahead and say we select this one, and if we select this page, there we go. So now we can go ahead and change the color of all our website just like that. So actually this looks pretty cool. This one as well. And once we have our color scheme, we should be okay. So I actually wanted to use some lighter colors like a yellow, like these ones. So let's go ahead and see this one. How would this look? This one also looks pretty cool. I don't have that option to use the colors on all the pages for some reason. I did before, but now I'm not getting it. But anyway, we'll move on. So let me just go ahead and change the colors to all the pages. There we go. All right. So now this color actually looks pretty cool instead of all the green. The green was just too much. So now let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next page, we have the sustainable fast food done right. All right, then we have these options right here. What we want to do is over here, this page, I wanted to make it the menu page, and I want to pull it up over here. So right here underneath sustainable fast foods, right? People want to come over to the website, check them out. And then down below, we have our website page and our delivery page as well. And then at the bottom, we have some more options. So let's go ahead and move this page up. We can even add different transitions within each page, like these ones, specific pages. But yeah, can we move this page up? We can move it up by just simply clicking on the page and clicking on this arrow button, and then the page would be moved up. So here we go. So we can move it down, and I think, so yeah, this actually looks pretty good. I think I'll keep it right here where it is. I don't want to move it up. I think it looks pretty good over here. But if I wanted to, I think I'd remove this page because I don't think this is a good page. So let me just go ahead and remove that. It actually is hidden. So let me just go ahead and hide that page. I don't know if it's hidden or not. I think it's hidden. Instructions are unclear. So right here it says hide page. So I believe now it's hidden, but even the eyes are open. It's a little bit confusing. I'll open the eyes. All right, I think that worked. All right, so this actually looks now much better. So we have our main page, then we have this one, then we have the menu. Here we can go ahead and add some different sorts of menus over here, different images of different burgers. And then once that's done, we should be good to go. I forgot to change the color of this website. So let me actually go ahead and change it. Click over here and then change the color palette. No, this is not the color palette. This is the color palette, I believe. Yep. All right, so now that we have that, now all that's left for us to do is to connect it to our domain. So to connect it, we just simply click on this publish website button, and here, give it a couple of seconds to load up. You can resize it on your mobile or include navigation menu if you want. And then what you can do is over here, add your website. So since it's House of Burgers, I'm going to add House of Burgers over here. And there we go. And then we have publishing settings. If you want, you can go ahead and do that. And then we click on publish website. Give it a couple of seconds to publish it. And there we go. Our website is now published. We can go ahead and view it right here. So this is how it looks like. Looks pretty simple, looks pretty cool. But yeah, we can go ahead and link all of these pages to different pages and we should be okay. All right, now that that's done, now we can go ahead and check it out. So we click on publish and here we have the website. This is the URL. All right, we can go ahead and change it from here. Or if we want, we click on this button and then we click on get a new domain. And here we click on bring your own domain. And then we just simply upgrade our domains over here. But let's say we want to buy a new domain. We click on buy a domain. And over here, we search for our own domain. And you can search for a domain over here, and over here, you can just simply go ahead and click on claim domain, fill out the form, and you should be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.